Good day, everyone. Hope you are safe and healthy. We present you Deliver Safe, a smart and secure, hassle-free doorstep delivery solution. According to the survey, 61% of the population who order stuff online reschedule the delivery of the product, which result in wastage of resources and most importantly, time. People of the age group 18 to 50, that is the working population, is the most affected by this issue as they are unavailable most of the times due to workload and jobs. Currently, the solutions available to the customers include pickup points, common locker systems, scheduled delivery systems. Customers can pick the product directly from the pickup point, but it can be troublesome to go and collect the product from the pickup point. The delivery of the product might not be available after a particular time, or the pickup point may be far away from the customer's residence, and most importantly, this process is not contactless and safe. We are providing a safe and secure locker system that will be installed in the residence of the customer, and the delivery person can place their product inside the locker. Customers can use the prepaid methods for billing or they can pay later as well. The product the product provides a security token to the delivery partner for securely opening the smart locker and placing the product inside the locker. And the customer is immediately notified about the delivery. The salient features are the smart locker system will keep the product safe and secure and accessible to the customer without the physical presence of any third person. The locker is fitted with modern sensors and cameras to make it theft free. A user application software for the customer to track the order remotely, lock and unlock the monitor the smart locker. A one-time secure password is used to unlock and lock. The application provides prior notification to the customers about the delivery, and thus the customer provides privileges to the delivery partner to operate the locker. Coming on to the customer acquiring and retention. Now the customer need not to travel anywhere and the product will be delivered safely without requiring the customer to be physically present at the delivered location. Safe, contactless delivery in this tough COVID-19 times. Product security assurance, as no one will have the access to the product except the customer after the product payment is done. For retaining the customers, we are providing various features like 24 into 7 customer and technical support, rating, reviews, and feedback systems, customer loyalty programs, automated services, online chatbots for immediate help.
Coming to the key activities involved, the key recurring activities involved in the process include local maintenance, software upgradation, advertisements and marketing, research and development, manufacturing of smart local systems. Now coming to our prospective partners. Our prospective partners include investors, e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Flipkart, logistic partners like eCart, suppliers and vendors, local system manufacturers, and payment gateway partners like Paytm. Our major revenue streams include initial sale of the product, extended warranty charges, advertisements, and collaboration. Below is the detailed capital expenditure for our venture. It includes one-time capital expenditure of about 14.5 lakhs and monthly recurring expenditure of 75 to 80,000 per month. The major capital requirements include infrastructure 8 lakh, initial stock of smart locker systems 1.5 lakh, R&D expense and technical support 70 to 80K, software and computing costing 5 lakh. Total expected initial expenditure required is 16 to 17 lakh. So with this, we want the investors to join our venture as a 10% shareholder for $500,000 Indian rupees. If you come along us at DeliverSafe as an investor, a clear 22.5 or more return on your initial investment can be seen in the coming 2 years. Thank you.